Hey traders, I hope you all having a nice weekend. So on weekends, as always, I want to give you something valuable that can help you in your trading psychology. So if you are someone who's like, come on man, cut this crap and let's jump on straight to the analysis part. If you are someone who doesn't want to listen this part of the video, I'll put the time stamp right up there. And I totally respect that, guys. You might be someone that who just take trading just as for fun, or maybe it's just your sidekick sort of thing, or you just want to know the direction of the market. That's still totally cool. For that, I have a timestamp up there. But if you want to make trading as your career, maybe in future, just make it as your part-time thing or maybe full-time eventually, then I promise you, in the first part of video, I'm going to talk about some mistake we can avoid in trading in order to become a profitable trader. We'll talk about trading psychology, some risk management, and the trades we have taken last week in priority group, the way we enter the trade, what I look in those trades. You will learn a lot in the first part of the video. So tell me something. Let's take an example of a car. If you want to drive a car, what is the first step you do? Obviously, you start a car, right? And the next step is put your car in the first gear. Now, let me ask you a question. What happens if you start your car and the next step you put your car directly in a fourth gear? Well, it will stop, right? Or it won't run. Same goes with trading. When you are trading, you open your account, then you start slowly. Similar as a car, when you start your car, you put your car in gear 1 and then gear 2 and then gear 3, and the car picks up the pace slowly and slowly until you reach to a certain level where you can put your car on a cruise control and take off your feet from accelerator and relax and enjoy your drive, right? The same thing goes with the trading. You open your account, then you learn trading. After that, when you are trading in the live market, you start with small profit. But the mistake traders do, they make money one day, they make money second day, and then on the third day, what they do, they risk all their money and they lose everything the third day. This is not what we do as a trader, as a professional trader at least. If you make money, let's say you make $100 in one day, next day, risk $50. By the way, this is not a financial advice. This is something I do for my trading. This is how I manage my risk. I'm going to try to explain as much as possible. So, if you make $100 in one day, risk $50 next day, right? If you lose $50, you are still in profit of $50. Third day, maybe you make $100 again. You are plus $250. On fourth day, maybe you lose $50. You are still in profit, right? So slowly and eventually manage your risk. If you make money one day, you make money second day. Do not risk everything on the third day. Like that, you will just run away from trading. Same as you're driving a car. If you put your car in a gear 4, it will crash. Same like if you put all your risk in a single trade, you will blow up your account. So make money slowly. Don't get panic. Don't try to get rich in a single day or in a single month. Slowly and steadily, eventually, you will make money. Talking about money, what is financial freedom? Financial freedom doesn't mean that you are filthy rich. Financial freedom means that you don't have a job. You don't have to wake up 6 o'clock in the morning or you don't have to wake up 9 o'clock in the morning. It means, let's say you earn 3K from your job, right? Financial freedom means earning exactly the same money, or maybe a little more, or maybe a little less, without having a boss. So if you're earning 3K from trading, you can go anywhere in the world. You can go on your holiday. You can trade there. You can wake up in your own time. You can manage your own routine. You can do whatever you want to. And slowly and steadily, you will increase your wealth. One month, you'll make 3K. Second month, maybe you'll make 4K. Fourth month, you'll be break even. Fifth month, maybe you'll be in loss. Sixth month, you'll make X more money. But if you follow a proper risk management rule at the end of the year, you will come out profitable. And you must have a passion for it. You must learn, you must educate yourself to become profitable trader. Signals can never make you rich. Only education can. Talking about passion. I got this question asked from the traders, from my friends, some of my family members, that if you're making good money from trading, why would you want to make a video every single day and post it on the YouTube? Why do you want to launch a course? The answer is simple. If you want to become a doctor, or let's say if you want to become a surgeon, where would you go to learn? You won't go to a plumber, you will go to a professor, you'll go to a surgeon who is specialized in a surgery, right? And let me ask you a question. Why would he want to teach you if he is making enough money by having a nice government job? He got lots of allowances as a surgeon. He have his paid leave and all the allowances he have a comfortable life just by having a one job. Why on the earth does he want to teach you? because it's his passion. Why do he want to have his own private clinic as well, whereas he got a nice government job? He want to open his own clinic. He want to maybe give online consultations because it's his passion and he wants to grow within his own field, and he want to teach other students so that they will become a successful doctors, and in future when they see them his students are doing really good in their life and they become a successful surgeon or doctors, he can proudly say that I am the mentor, those are my students. So if you have a passion of something to become something, you grow in that field. So if you want to learn trading and if you want to become a successful in trading, make sure you educate yourself. Make sure you do your back testing, do demo trading first. See if you are profitable, see if your strategies are working or not. Test your strategies and then come in the live market and treat trading as your business, not as a gambling. So for me, trading is my passion. I want to grow in my field. I want to do trading myself. I want to teach other struggling traders so that when they do well in their life, they can say that, yes, this guy is my mentor. And I can proudly say, yes, these are my students. And I can proudly say that, yes, this guy is now successful in his life and I'm his teacher and I was his teacher. So it is my passion and I want to grow within my industry, which is trading. So have your goals there. Make sure you follow your dreams. Now, with that being said, let's talk about the trades we have taken last weeks. Right here, this was a trade we have just took recently on Thursday. And as you can see, I've sent this trade to my priority members. Now, if trading was that simple, then everyone would be rich in the market. For the market to give you a signal, you need to have 3 to 4 confluences, at least 3 confluences. Right, in this trade, as you can see the example, we had a double top pattern, number one. We had an engulfing pattern, number two. We had the overbought situation, number three. We had the RSI divergence coming out from the overbought situation, number four. Combining all that, we had a strong, very strong signal for sell trade, and that is why we entered this trade. Now, if you see here, this pair was in an uptrend from quite a long now, as you can see right here. It's been in an uptrend from quite a while. I think so. It's since 2020. This pair is just climbing up crazily, and now it reaches this level, and we took the opportunity to take this trade and we got our chunk of profit. And as you can see, we made nice 96 pip profit. And this is the zone I have sent to my priority members. I've been sending this zone to my priority members from last whole month, and the market was here, then market was here, market was here, and eventually the market reaches this zone. And as you can see how the market reacted out from this zone, and that was the patience paid off. We've been waiting for the market to hit this zone to take counter trades. We did not enter sell trade here. We did not enter sell trade here. We only entered the trade once the market hit our zone. So this is how you need to have discipline in your trading. If you have a discipline in your trading, then trust me, discipline and patience and control of your emotions. If you combine all that, you will become a successful trader. Now we took this trade and we took 4 other trades in the group, similar situations, and all those 4 trades hit our take profit. Right here, this was one of the pullback entry we took right here. Market hit our take profit and then fall back down because we had our take profit according to the ATR, according to the volatility of the market, which is really important. As you can see, take profit of 80 pips has been hit here as well. So having the condition, having the entry pattern, that really helps you in your trading. We are doing really good in our priority group. And let me show you one more zone. I did not send this trade to my priority members, but I really hope you have noticed this pair. Okay, right here, what do we have? I already sent the zone to my member, this one, as you can see on the screen, and we got a nice engulfing pattern right here. I took this trade, but I did not send this trade in a group. Like I said, I do not send every single trade. I want you to learn, I want you to see the entry patterns you get within these zones so that you will learn from the entries from the pattern I sent and you can take your own trades. Now, as you can see right here, we got this engulfing pattern, market pushed down and hit our take profit right here from the zone I have already sent to my members. So if you see these entry patterns every single week and you know what I look for the entry patterns, you can able to take these trades on your own in the market. So be patient, take your profit in time, exit and enter in time. do not rush. Do not just enter the trade. If you see the market is really pushing up, it's climbing, and you have a fear of missing out, you just jump into the trade, just wanting to get some profits with other traders. No, wait for the condition. Once you have a condition, then enter. So I hope you got some value out of this long lecture, and I hope you apply that to your trading. I have my website launch this week, which I'm going to show you next week as well. Once I have a website launch, I will make it live so that you can see that, and I will start uploading my course once my website is live, hopefully next week. So now let's finish off this lecture here and let's start our analysis with natural gas, gold, crude oil, palladium, copper. So let's start with natural gas. Okay, right here, what do we have? Now, as you can see, the market has broken above the previous level of resistance, a minor resistance, and now pushing up. So let me show you what I've said in my previous video. Our take profit has been hit already here, as you can see right here with the wick. So let me show you what I have said in my last video. It is can likely to push up from here. If I look my Fibonacci tool right here, we already got a retest of 50% retracement. Looking at that, looking at the previous high broken, we can expect the market to hit at least 8.366, from where we can expect another pullback. Okay, awesome. So like I said, this was an aggressive way to enter the market, this Fibonacci tool, and I have reason to plot Fibonacci tool, as you can see, and I look for 4 different rules. When all my rules are met, only then I plot my Fibonacci tool. So at this point, you can see the market was in the buffer zone right here, as you can see, and it eventually pushed up from here. This was your aggressive entry. This 50% was your entry, and the market pushed up, hit 1.618 retracement. Now, what to expect from here? At this point, the market has broken above the zone. We have 1 and 2 close of this candle. We can expect a pushback now, and we can expect pushback either to this previous level of support, which is now support, which was a resistance. 7.771 goes up to 8.052. Now we can expect a push down, and then we can expect a push up to 1618 retracement, which is 8.646. Now, as you can see, we already got a retracement of 50% right here. This could be your aggressive entry as well. We can also get a push down and a hit of 20 EMA before the market push up. So now, as you can see, it has broken above. We are above the minor zone, and now I'm expecting a good push up out of natural gas. Now we have a slightly different situation on capital.com, which I'm going to go through in a second. Now we have a next major zone from where I will look for my counter trades. This is a major zone. Let me show you why this is a zone I'm paying attention to. This is the recent zone from where the market has fallen dramatically all the way down to the previous level of major support right here. Now, if you see here, right here, if you look back right here, this zone has acted as a previous resistance. Market fallen from here, acted as a good level of support. Market pushed up twice from here back in 2008. So if you look back previously here, the market fall from this zone back in 2006. Market pushed up from this zone back in 2005. So this is a zone I'm paying attention to take my counter trades. Once we hit this zone right here, we can expect a very nice push down. Have these zones on your chart to take your counter trades. Until then, if we have a good push up and we have a good few red candles, we have a pullback entry pattern, the way you learn in the priority group, then we will take long trades until we hit this zone. I can't be 100% accurate, guys. No one can predict the market 100%. If we have any major event in the world, then we might see a big fall, but which I'm not expecting. But just to give you a heads up, always have your stop loss there so that in case of big events, your account is protected. So now let's check here on currency.com. Here you can see exactly from the buffer zone, market pushed up. At this point, capital.com, it did not hit 1618 retracement, and we don't have another candle close here. That is why it will be good to see another green candle that closes above this zone. If we have that, then our Fibonacci tool right here, we might get a retest, and then we can see another push up from here. And between this zone, we will take our pullback trades the way I teach you in my priority group. So overall, that looks bullish to me. We can expect push down. We can expect a retest of 20 EMA again before the market will push up. If not, from this zone. We have a very strong support of 20 EMA. As you can see, every time the market hit 20 EMA, it always pushed up. So that is why we do not get a reason to enter here. You know the reason to enter. I look bullish in golfers or pin bars. If we do not get that, market keep on pushing down. If we hit 20 EMA, then we have a very strong chances that the market will push up. And I'm expecting a retracement because we are in the overbought situation as well. That is why I'm expecting a good breather. So only enter with a good reason to enter. The zone I have here is 9.010 goes up to 9.426. If we have a good push up, then this is the zone I'm expecting market to hit, from where we will look for our counter trades. Of course, I will update you guys once the market is pushing up. We do have a very minor zone here, and if I see any reason to enter here, I will update you accordingly. If I see any pullback from here, I will still update you accordingly. So make sure you hit a subscribe button so you won't miss any analysis. Now let's check gold. Right here, as you can see, we had a very good push up from the major zone. Market has now broken above the 2050 EMA and 20 EMA. We have this 382 candle as well, showing us a bullish pressure. At this point, I expect a little pullback and we can expect market to push up. And this is the next counter trading zone, which is 1759, goes up to 1775. Now I'm expecting a push up, maybe pullback, and we will only take pullback trades until we hit this red zone. Now, before that, we have this zone here right above 1743 that goes up to 1747. We have this small minor zone. Once we hit this zone, we can expect a good pullback before the market will push up again. So have these zones on your chart. This is the zone you want to exit your trades. Look for a pullback trade before the market will push back up again. So gold is still bullish. I'm expecting a good push up out of gold. I will only look for sell trades if you do not get any sort of reason to enter and market breaks below 50 EMA. Then after that, I will start looking to take my sell trades. Let's check crude oil. Okay, crude oil, I'm staying away from crude oil. Like I said in my previous video, it's just making funny moves. We did have this minor double bottom pattern that has been breached already. Now, as you can see, we do have an inverted head and shoulder pattern. This is a bullish pattern. If I see a good bullish engulfing candle here, then I'm still expecting a very good push up in between this zone, which is 103 goes up to 106. So looking at this pattern, we can expect a good push up from crude oil only once I see a good bullish engulfing candle or a pin bar in this zone. We already got one here, but for the extra confluence, we want to see another bullish candle here or a pin bar here. Let's check palladium. Okay, right here in palladium, I was waiting for the market to hit my major level of resistance, but it reaches near to my zone before it fall back down. I did not get a chance to enter the trade. This was a nice zone to enter. Now we still have this zone right above here, which is 2193.372 goes up to 2288.74. This is the major area of value. Once we hit this zone, we can expect a very good push down. Of course, if we broke above this zone, then we will look for trend continuation trade. At this point, have the zone above and have the zone below right here, which is 1727.251 that goes up to 1794.30. If the market push down, then this is the zone you will take your long trades. If the market push up, this is the zone you will take your sell trades. Let's check copper. Right here, we already are in this trade on a daily time frame. It is pushing up. I'm still expecting a good push up out of copper, and the zone we have above, which is 3.45110, goes up to 3.52482. This is the zone. Once we have a hit of this zone, I'm expecting a push down. So have these zones on the chart. Zone below is 3.0785 goes up to 3.1560. This is my zone. If we have a push down again, then I will take another long trade. So that's all for commodity market, guys. I hope you got some value out of my analysis. Make sure you hit a like button for me, and if you're new, hit a subscribe button and join Money Markets family. I hope you have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.